our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll be learning how to add server on Discord. First of all, open your Discord application. Then you can see the menu icon on the beginning of the page. Tap on it and then you can see plus icon there. Tap on the plus icon and tap on create my own. Now if you are creating a server for a small group, tap on first option, and then if you are creating a server for a big group, tap on the second option. If you haven't decided these things yet, you can also skip it by tapping on skip this question for now. Now you can give a name to your server. Here I'm naming my server as test, and then you can also add an image if you want to. Here I am not adding any image, and then tapping on create server button. Then you can see the list of your friends. You can invite them by tapping on invite, or you can also copy the link and share it on text. Here I'm skipping this part, and then you can see you have successfully created a server. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you, and do subscribe for similar contents.